Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my viewers are also fine, doing well and good condition in health. I'm also perfect and thanks from Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty so Allah gives you more healthy, wealthy life, successful life and happy life. And please viewers, you also pray for me. I hope you're getting my latest video. So girls, it is over. Today I bring some special beautiful crochet fingerless gloves design for modern girls, working women, joyful women. So girls, please you must watch my video till the end. All the patterns are very beautiful, stylish, handmade knitting variety, different ideas, mind-blowing pattern. Most demanding collection, most wearing collection. Some are light color, dark color, color contrast, plain color ideas, multicolors, rainbow colors. Different ideas, different style. Some are simple and some are beautiful button-up style. Most demanding collection. If you are laptop, mobile, computer user, so this is very useful for you. Very nice, beautiful colors, beautiful ideas. And you can see many more ideas about crochet in my channel, like crochet dresses, beautiful amigurumi pattern, handbag, fingerless gloves, beautiful jewelry, beautiful dresses. Okay viewers, now I have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye and peace be for me. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day. Goodbye viewers.